Welcome to our comprehensive guide to the Microsoft Azure Developer Associate Certification Exam, AZ-204. In this video, we will walk you through the exam topics, discuss the format of the exam, and provide you with success strategies to help you ace the certification. The AZ-204 exam covers a wide range of topics that are crucial for an Azure Developer Associate. Let's take a closer look at the key areas you need to focus on. Develop Azure Compute Solutions. Develop for Azure Storage. Implement Azure Security. Monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize Azure solutions. Connect to and consume Azure service and third-party services. While all these topics are important, it's essential to understand the relative weightage of each topic in the exam. Based on historical data and feedback from candidates, here's an estimated breakdown of the exam. Developing Azure Compute Solutions, 25 to 30%. Developing for Azure Storage, 15 to 20%. Implementing Azure Security, 20 to 25%. Monitoring, troubleshooting, and optimizing Azure solutions, 15 to 20%. Connecting to and consuming Azure and third-party services, 15 to 20%. Now that we know the topics, let's dive into the exam format. The AZ-204 exam consists of a series of scenario-based questions, as well as multiple choice and multiple response questions. The scenarios simulate real-world Azure development challenges, requiring you to apply your knowledge and skills to choose the best solutions.